Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you the 5 best Python frameworks. First, Django is an open source and free Python framework. It tends to include necessary functionalities by default instead of separated libraries. Django's features include authentication, URL routing, a template engine, ORM, object relational mapper, and database schema migration. Pyramid is an open-source Python-based web application framework and the second most popular framework. Its goal is to do as much as possible with minimal complexity. Running on Python 3, Pyramid keeps pace with technological advances. The most striking feature of Pyramid is its ability to work well with both small and large applications. TurboGears is an open-source web application framework built on numerous middleware and libraries, and was originally designed to combine the best components of other Python frameworks. TurboGears allows you to quickly develop extensible, data-driven web applications. It comes with a user-friendly modeling engine and a powerful, flexible ORM. Tornado is an asynchronous, non-blocking Python framework designed to handle long connections and a large number of simultaneous requests. Originally developed by FriendFeed, acquired by Facebook, it is particularly well suited to real-time web applications and services requiring high performance. FastAPI is a modern, fast, high-performance web framework for creating RESTful APIs with Python, based on the type annotations introduced with Python 3.7+. It was designed to provide an efficient development experience while automatically generating interactive documentation. Comment this video if you have a question, or you can request a video about programmation. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive notifications of my next videos.